This shit still going slow, bro.
As fuck.
You're in first gear, nigga.
How I change that?
Nigga, what you mean how you change it? You telling me you haven't been
Oh, you gotta
drop?
press X.
You telling me you haven't been driving like
Oh,
that the whole time?
bro, I haven't changed gears ever.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
No way. No fucking way, chat.
Got a lot of spare energy.
Please, bro. Bro said, what do you mean? I'm in sixth gear the whole time. I kept it in six. I'm not registering what he's saying. Oh my god. I'm like, hold on, you kept it in six? He's like, yeah. What gear am I supposed to put it in? I'm like, oh, nah, son. Chat. This is GG's for bro. Oh my god.